Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all guys giving me a little bit of your time, man. Dialing in. Really appreciate that. Today we got a 04, 05 Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 Vortec engine in it, and we're going to replace the water pump on it. Now, guys, I want to show you something on this before they do this, is because this has been replaced not too long ago, okay? You see, it's the newest thing on the damn truck, okay? We put this on here at the shop, and, you know, maybe last year sometime. And it came back yesterday, you know. They had to take and cut the belt off and you know, just to get it to move. Now, have you ever seen a fan come apart like that? Y'all see that? In other words, hold it. In other words, the pulley, which is a press-on pulley from the manufacturer, broke it well and came loose. It cut right into the water pump right here in the back, as you can see. So we're gonna have to replace the water pump first thing first. To get this belt fan off, you're going to have the inch and 1 1/4 wrench, but you're also going to have something to hold right here. Steve-O got the big channel locks. He's gonna try to hold it with the big channel locks and see if we can get this fan off. If not, you have to take it off with the fan already on it, get it down on the ground, and get it off that way. So we're gonna give it a try. Okay. Steve-O, what will help you on that right there? Let me give you a suggestion. Take that and put that right up under, put it up under something. Take a bar or something and put it right here so it won't be bouncing. You understand? Yeah. We'll try it one more time, guys. There you go. See that? By him holding that, he's able to take that fan off without doing, without taking the pump off and doing it that way. Because I was thinking that we were going to have to take the whole assembly off and then get the pump off, but see, that's the way you're supposed to install it. You take your fan shroud, leave it on there. That's what, it ain't coming off.
It ain't coming off. You gotta take the whole pump off.
Yeah, leave the fan, take the fan shrouds off right here at the top, guys. You got a couple of 10mm bolts in it, and then you can, it leaves you the whole access to this pump. This pump, you have to, it'll come with a thermostat housing will be taken off of it, and you got 6 bolts that comes off of it. They all goes in this sequence. Here, there, there. The thermostat housing, the olive wheel, it goes off. 1, 2. You got 3 there. So you got a total of 6 bolts, plus the idle wheel and the thermostat housing. Then you'll take your 2 lines off, your 2 water. These are heater hoses. You take your 2 heater hoses off. Upper heater hose, lower heater hoses on your thermostat, okay? Take those games off, guys, you're home free, okay? So, that's how you would do that. All right, man, that's that video. Feel that if it was helpful, man, which I knew it was, get something to catch that. Please subscribe to the channel. Some of them likes and them shares, man. Till next.